Hello, everyone. Hope you're good. Hope you're well. Hope everyone's doing great. Okay, this week we'll be talking about managing global teams that work, right? And the case study to study for this week is just a simple one. It's this one um, by the Harvard Business Review, Global Teams That Work, um, by Professor Neely. And yeah, it's a great case study. So please read that case study, and these are your questions to answer. All right. So the first one is, what are the problems facing global teams? The second one is, what are the skills needed to manage a global team? Third question is, from your perspective, what skills or insights do you currently have that would enable you to manage a global team? Okay, so we're getting to your own personal dimension there. And then finally, which skills do you think you may need to develop? Okay, so yeah, which skills do you think you may need to develop? So those are just the four questions to answer, and I'll see you in class. Bye for now. 下一站. See you later. Bye.